How to get Temu promo codes for existing customers. First of all, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account if you have not already. Now on the home page, go to the profile page and open coupons and offers section. Here you can find available promo codes and discounts for existing users. But if you don't find any, let's go back and open any web browser that you use for searching. Type coupon.ai in the search bar and open the website. Once you are on the website homepage, search for Temu and open it. Here you can find the latest offers and promo codes. Copy a code and apply it for discount. Sometimes coupons and offers do not work due to certain rules and criteria such as different regions and countries. Keep trying until you find an active promo code and complete your order. And that's it. These are the ways you can get Temu promo code as an existing customer. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.